Check out this video where I show you my tips for making latte art with oat milk.
And I suggest you to choose the spout that's very small for the oat milk, because when you pour it's gonna become a little bit bigger, so you like the spout to be very small. So make sure you give a float in a very early stage. So once it's ready 3/4 full, lift out the jars and make it spin like vortex. And that's how it's gonna look like. Nice and creamy.
Because oat milk has slightly less fat than full cream milk. That's why I create a bit more foam at the start. But don't worry about over foaming when it's come to oat milk. My tip is to mix the base with more foam than you would with full cream milk. This really helped to set the base for drawing and leave a perfect silky thin foam for pourings. I always wiggle less for better clarity. Wiggling too much can cause a loss of definitions, and keeping the spout a bit further from the surface also help with a clear fine lines. Let's try, guys. Look at the video. Nice and crisp.